Hello, and today we shall be playing Mario Maker World Engine. Alright, so let's refresh. Beta level.
Let's go!
So they've added a lot of new stuff to this, as you can see. But, you know, I'm still I'm still as bad as I was when it was, you know, it's fine. It's fun stuff, and it's probably the best option for PC out there. Huh? What? Haha. Maybe I have to go up there. Yo, swoop around. Come on, Bony Beats. I love this music. Whew. Boing. Knew it. I like the falling meteors. That's pretty cool. I don't think Toad can do this.
Okay!
Luigi time. Yeah, Luigi's got this. Luigi has it in the books. Luigi, you're the W. Waha! You know something I just realized? Crap. Let's go. You know something I just realized? They should add Wario as a character to Mario Maker. Like, even just a Wario costume would be amazing. I mean, think of all the creative ideas that people could make. Whoa, why is the Koopa Troopa just dancing down there? He's just like doing a little butt booty bouncing while he's sinking into the lava. Weird. Boing. See? He's just slowly sinking. Meow. We'll let that go off screen. We'll let that pass behind the grinder. Good music. What? Huh? Okay, now that's really hard. Alright. Kill him already. Oh. Haha. No waiting on you, my friend. Boing. That was close, close. That was very close. I love the music, dude. Let's go. I'm so good at this game. Such a creative idea. There was the end! Dang it. Wow, that Koopa Troopa's invincible. But not from Luigi. Haha. Wow. My Luigi voice always sounds like Wario. Oh, I almost just jumped into the lava. Let's go. Jumped too early. Dang it. That's a cool level, though. That's a cool level. I mean, that's my level right there. Death. That Koopa Troopa's invincible. It just went right through him. Or I'm crazy. Could be that I'm crazy. I mean, I'm the guy who plays Mario at 9:15 in the morning, so like, I don't know. Go! So you have to go like right now. Poor Luigi. Poor Luigi. Poor Luigi. Yeah, this game is still under development, so it may be a little bit glitchy, aka Chupa Koopa, Koopa Troopa, whatever you want to call it. Okay, no secrets up there. That's disappointing. You're gonna have to wait this out. You can listen to me sing Mario. Bruh. Come on, man. But I mean, this is such a fantastic game. This is, you know what? I'll try it one more time. But this is a fantastic game. You know? Yeah, bro, that's Koopa Troopa's invincible. And so are the rocks. What? I mean, what did I expect? Honestly. What did I... Ooh. I'm an owl. Ooh, ooh. Boing, boing, boing. Yeah, that Koopa Troopa's invincible. He ain't going nowhere. Boing. Boing, boing. That's sneaky to hide it up here. If I hadn't used my big brain, I probably would have gotten stuck. Or maybe just because I played a lot of Mario. Now. So close. How did I get it the first time? Am I just... That always happens to me where, like, I get something the first 2 tries and then I mess up and I keep messing up. Part of my lifeblood. Go. Oh my gosh. If you stand right there and then... But then you die. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. I'm telling you this. Alright, I'll give it one more try. Then we'll move on. I like to keep my videos short and sweet. Huh? Where'd it go? Alright, that's it. Eat fresh, refresh. Just a normal SB3 level.
Here we go.
Knew it. I knew it. Wait, what? Are you supposed to fly there? Oh, you gotta do like the swoop back. Super Mario Maker 2. Fly, Luigi! Let's go. Even got the star. I guessed as much. Plants vs. Human. Typical platforming.
Here we go.
Okie dokie. Huh? Huh? This is like pro players, sir. Do you think that half the people playing this game will be able to beat this? No, of course not. If you thought yes, I think you're a maniac. I think you're a maniac. Chaotic Snow. A lot of SMB3 levels lately. It's the same level. It took me back to the same level. What? That's... There we go. Okay. We had a little glitch, my friends, but, you know, glitches are part of life. Yeah, glitches are just part of life. Glitches are a part of life, my friends. Get out of here. You little jerk. Oh, at least we can still crush those. Let's go. What? Oh, we need the penguin suit. We need a slide. We need to go sliding. We need to go sliding, my friends. Let's do this. Boing, boing. Here we go again. Take that. This is gonna be it. I knew it. Freeze those balls. Get out of here. Those coins. What? No. We have to start all over. There wasn't even a checkpoint. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Wow, I just chucked him off screen. Jump, Mario. Jump like no man's business. No! Oh, I needed that. Chez, I found the cheese. Well, I guess that really isn't cheese, but like, kind of is. Cause you know you're supposed to slide in there on your belly, you know, like a big dog. You little jerk. No, it was ice. I thought it was just normal, but apparently I don't have eyes. You know. What? Oh, that's thought for a second we found the secret. Oh, look, now we're Toad. Now we're Mario. And now we're dead. Boing. Boing. Good level. Yeah, I'm just not good at this game. Now things are shell jumps. Oh, auto level. Auto level. Alright, let's not touching anything. Not like last time. Oh, bouncy clouds. That's really smart. Bouncy clouds are nice. Luigi moved. He's moving. There we go. The ultimate super expert funland. Yeah, let's try this one. Yeah. No secrets, that's okay. Sure. Oh, we gotta... I can't pick it up. I couldn't pick it up. This is gonna be impossible. Eat fresh, refresh. Corefores. Lava.
Here we go.
Lava. Oh my gosh. No time for question mark blocks. Yeah. How far does it rise? I want to know that. Oh my gosh. I love the lava theme. No, I take that back. It is really cool though. Oh, my feet are burning. Mamma mia. Oh look, it's pointing at that volcano. Should I go swim in that volcano? Oh, I guess I kind of already am, so like... Luigi has another thing off his bucket list, I guess. Swimming in a volcano. But I'm sure he's done that plenty of times. How was I supposed to know there was a platform there? How was I supposed to know? The arrows are not that great. I mean, the arrows are nice, but they're not quite right, you know? Run, Luigi! Oh, there's a mushroom in there. Mushroom. I will avenge you. I was supposed to fall down onto the platform below, not into the lava, Luigi. Use your brain. Yahoo! That really sounds like a Wario. It's a me, Wario. This is my most Wario voice. I haven't used my Wario voice in ages. Run, Luigi! Oh crap. Okay, I need to not press down, even though I want to believe. D-pad. No! I pressed down. Ah! Alright, after this, I should probably be done. It's getting a little long for a video. At least my videos. About 20 minutes, 18 minutes. That's good enough for me. You know, I'm not a professional streamer or whatever. Whatever, you know, I mean. But you also know that I'm not very good at Mario.
Here
so
we go.
Oh boy. Oh boy. In the door, I guess. No going back. Oh. Top. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, 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 sir. Oh, there's the end. How do I get there? I don't know. This is a weird level, though. Ghost house. So creative. What's over here? Nothing. Puzzles. Yep, puzzles. They added, like, so much stuff in this update. It's really cool. I recommend Super Mario Maker Web Engine. And you can find it on places like Game Banana, even if you don't have Discord. Well, I just ditched that. Probably need to make a P-switch jump here. Because there's, like, nothing else. What's on the bottom? We know the... Okay. Same thing. Boing. Boing. Come on. Nope. Alright, well, that's gonna be it. I think that's enough for today. That's about a 22-minute. Oh, hey. Let's try this one.
Let's go.
Alright, that will be it. See ya. That's all for today.